Hello and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guide. Today I'm taking you to Glendale Burger Shop in Traverse City. Glendale Burgers started as a food truck at the Little Fleet in 2017 and quickly gained a cult following for their delicious smash burgers. But in 2023, they actually transitioned to a permanent location off of West Bayshore Drive. Let's head in and grab a bite to eat and check it out. We really liked the vibe of this place. It was like a 50s diner with some modern minimalism. It was really clean, and we really liked the cool arcade in the back too. Their menu features a variety of tasty options, with smash burgers being the highlight. Signature items include the Temple with American cheese, lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions, and a Hugo sauce, and the Patricia, a patty melt with mustard seared patties, caramelized onions, and American cheese on Texas toast. For our appetizer, we got the Parmesan fries, which were seasoned battered fries topped with Parmesan, Romano, parsley, and a fancy sauce that was very similar to Thousand Island. It was a large portion, and the fries were definitely crispy, and the grated Parmesan and Romano was a great touch. We've gotten cheese fries at other places, but these were our favorite. They were crispy fries with plenty of flavor, and they were hot. This definitely felt like a great value for the price you paid, and again, we would highly recommend getting these. If you're enjoying this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next Traverse City Guide. For my burger, I got the Snake Bite, which was a smashed beef patty with American cheese, jalapenos, onions, and a spicy chili crisp sauce on a brioche bun. This was a great burger. I opted to add a patty, so it was extra meaty. There was plenty of flavor. The beef was very well prepared, and it was very great. I love spicy food, and it was a great touch that they took the time to de-seed the jalapenos. Natalie got the kids' cheeseburger, which was a smashed beef patty with American cheese, and it was served with kettle chips. She chose to put some ketchup and some tomatoes on it, and she definitely was a fan. This was a rather large burger for a kids' meal, and she would really recommend it as well. All in all, we would highly recommend stopping into Glendale Burger Shop right there off of West Bayshore Drive. We really enjoyed our entire meal. The staff was very friendly. The place was clean. Again, thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide. Until next time, I'm Justin.